Ready to lock in those sweet profits on Bybit using Tether? First, head over to Bybit and make sure you're logged in. We're going to be working with derivatives. So click on the Derivatives tab at the top, then choose your preferred contract type, such as USDT Perpetual. Now, find the order placement section. Make sure you've selected limit, market, or conditional order. Depending on your trading strategy, enter the quantity you want to trade. Look for the take profit, stop loss settings that might be abbreviated as TP. I'll click on the take profit option. Here's the important part. You'll see a field where you can enter your desired take profit price in USDT. Input the specific USDT price at which you want your order to automatically close and secure your gains. Double check all your details, the contract, quantity, and most importantly, your take profit price in USDT. Once you're satisfied, hit that confirm button. And that's it. Your take profit order using Tether is now set. Bybit will automatically close your position at your specified USDT price, so you can relax and let the market do its thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tutorials.